The Beehive Trail is one of the most thrilling hikes in Acadia, with a steep 520-foot ascent packed into less than a mile. This trail can get crowded, so we made sure to arrive early, especially before the parking lot filled up. We're here in Acadia National Park next to Beehive, Maine, and we're about to hike that beehive. It's supposed to be super steep and scary, and I don't like heights. Yay. With its exposed cliff, iron rungs, and stunning coastal views, yeah, it's pretty darn scary. All the signs I saw walking up definitely didn't intimidate me further.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
From the top of the Beehive Trail, we took the Bold Trail to the Gorham Mountain Trail up to the Ocean Path Trail to where our car was parked at the Beehive Trailhead. That's a lot of trails just to avoid going back down the Beehive, but most people would just go up the trail because of the crowds on the narrow passes and the danger, I suppose. Why go down 1 mile when you can make a 3-mile detour? Where we were yesterday? Where we were like an hour ago. I lived.
The end.